Sir, the next method related to string class, here just observe. So, whether string is empty or not, the length of the string is empty or not, number of characters present in the string is empty or not, I want to check, sir. So, for that, public boolean is empty. Are you getting what is the method name? Is empty. Public boolean is empty. This is the method we have to take. So to check whether the string is empty or not, best example, if I can take string s is equal to just a double quotes open and close. Yes, that's all. No content. Now let me check system.out.println s dot is empty or not. S dot is empty or not? Yes, obviously empty. That's why true is the answer we have to get. Okay. Now, if I can take string s is equal to Durga, it is not empty. It is not empty. System.out.println s dot is empty. Is empty. What the answer we have to get, sir? False itself is the answer. Everyone can able to understand? Is empty to check whether the given string is empty or not, whether the length of the string is 0 or not, number of characters is 0 or not. Like for that we can use this one. Have a look once. Observe carefully here. Here I am taking string s is equal to empty. Sir, now empty string s dot is empty. Like this I am taking. String s is equal to empty, double quotes, just open and close, is empty. What is the output we are going to get, sir? Just observe. Happily the code compiles fine. 1 minute, sir. Here just a semicolon, 1 minute. Here observe that. Happily the code compiles fine. No problem. What is the output? We will get a true because it is empty. It is empty. It is the true, sir. Empty string. Suppose if the string contain any data, any characters are there, length is not 0, then what is the output, sir? Here false. It is not empty. That's why false is the answer, right? Okay, very important. In the exam, there is a possibility to ask the bit from this method. That's why intentionally I am covering this method is empty. Observe that. Similarly, suppose if the string is not empty, how many characters are there? If the string is not empty, how many characters are there? Like if you want to know the number of characters present in the string, then we require to go for length method. What is the method name? Length method we have to use to check whether the given, what is the number of characters present in the given string. Sir, just observe string s is equal to, I am taking string s is equal to some Durga. Like this I am taking, sir. String s is equal to Durga. System.out.println s dot length I am taking, sir. Sir, what is the output we are going to get? 5. Because how many characters are there? Sir, 5. That's why. So we can use a length method to find number of characters present in the given string. Now have a look once. S is equal to Durga. S dot length method I am taking, sir. Length method I am trying to take. Now observe a bit very carefully about this one. 5 itself is the answer, sir. Okay, sir. Now I hope you people can aware what is the is empty and what is the length method, right? But here one small thing you people should identify what that point is. Observe very carefully, sir. Do you know in Java length variable is also there? Sometimes you can use length variable, sometimes you can use length method. Length variable applicable for arrays concept. Suppose if I have int array x is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Sir, how many elements are there? 4 elements are there. If you want to know number of elements present inside array, then we require to go for length variable. Sir, SOP of x dot length. SOP of x dot length. What is the answer? So Sir, 4 itself is the answer. So make sure length variable applicable for arrays concept, length method applicable for string concept. Okay, string object, right? Sometimes in the exam there may be a chance to ask system.out.println yes dot length variable for the string object. Length variable for the string object, compiler will give left and right. Remember that, because length variable applicable for arrays but not for string object. That's why it is applicable for arrays. That's why immediately compatible error we are going to get. Okay, sir, let me cross check. If I use length variable for the string object, yes, not length variable. Let me compile. Immediately compatible error we are going to get. Cannot find symbol, yes, not length variable length. Cannot find symbol, yes, not length variable length. Compatible error we are going to get, sir. So please make sure, very important point, length variable applicable for arrays but not for string object. Length method applicable for string but not for arrays. Sometimes in our certification, maybe a chance they may ask SOP of x dot length method. X dot length method. They are trying to use the length method for array. Immediately compatible error we are going to get. They are trying to use a length variable for string. Immediately compatible error we are going to get. Length method applicable for string, length variable applicable for arrays concept. So please make sure this point also you have to keep in your mind, very important for the exam sake. Clear? Now the next method related to strings. Sir, here observe public string is the return type of this method. What is the method name is replace method. Replace every character, replace with a new character, like that replace. Char old character, comma, char new character. Are you getting? Char old character, comma, char new character, right? Replace is the method. To replace every occurrence of this character with this character. Every occurrence of this character with this character. That is the purpose of replace method, right? Okay, well. So now observe that I have string s is equal to here, just observe a b is there. A B is there, sir. Now system.out.println s dot replace of, can you please replace, sir, a character with the b character. Can you please replace a character with the b character? Every a will be replaced with the b. Every a will be replaced with the b. Then obviously, what is the output by default we are going to get, sir? B is the answer. Are you getting? So what is the purpose of replace method? Every old character, can you please replace with the new character? Okay, this is here every a replace with the b, then what is the output we are going to get? All b's. Clear for all of right? What is the purpose of replace method? Let me execute, sir. Here listen, string s is equal to ab, like this I'm taking. Sir, s dot replace I'm taking a, char a. Can you please replace with the b? Char a. Can you please replace with the b, like this, right? Sir, now what is the output we are going to get? Just all b's by default will be there. Are you getting? All b's by default will be there. This is the output we are going to get, sir. Are you getting? All b's. So every a will be replaced with the b. That is the purpose of replace method. Clear? Very easy. Nothing is there, sir. What is the next method is? Do you know? Sir, substring. Substring method is there. Sir, now I want to find substring from third index to fifth index. Are you getting? Third index to fifth index, or otherwise from third index onwards until end of the string I want a substring. Okay, for that we require to go for substring method. Public, okay, string, public string, What is the method name is substring. Are you getting substring of int begin? Okay, int begin index. Observe that, sir. Sir, can you please tell, is it valid or not? Ayo, whatever I wrote on the board, is this method is valid or not? What there, man? Sub, S-U-B, S-T-R-I-N-G, substring. Here you see the capital I'm taking. Yeah, substring. Two words, every inner word starts with uppercase. Camel case convention in Java. Is it valid or not? Remember that. If you can take the method name like this, compiler will get left and right. Because substring method, SS should be small. Okay? SS should be small. Okay? Total is single word only. Substring, SS should be small. So this method returns the string from begin index to end of the string. Are you getting? From begin index to end of the string. So from begin index to end of the string, it is going to return substring like this, right? Sir, let me execute this code. Have a look once, or otherwise let me go for a small example first. String S is equal to, sir, I'm taking A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm taking, sir. What the string? Respond. What the string? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In India, in Telugu language, there was one movie, sir, named with Balu. Like a tagline for that movie is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What is this one? For one movie title, there is one movie title is there named with Balu. The tagline is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What is that? Ayo, at least some people may be from India. Some people may know Telugu. Okay, you may aware. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? Do you know what it means is a boy can do everything for a girl. Are you getting? A boy can do everything for a girl. Okay? Is it correct? A boy can do everything for a girl. Okay? Whenever this movie came, then immediately, so there are superiors like me. They are going to create reverse slogans also. What they are going to do is, so at that time, this tagline is very popular. A boy can do everything for a girl like. Then immediately some people, girl, forget, everything, did, sir, catch, boy, again. I don't know whether it is a reverse is the correct or whether original is the correct or not. Okay, just be aware. A, B, C, D, E, F, G is there, sir. Now my requirement is from third index onwards until end of the string, I want substring. Then system.out.println s dot substring of 3. S dot substring of 3 like this, right? From third index onwards, from third index to end of the string 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 means D to end. So D, E, F, G is the answer we are going to get. Are you getting right? So how the substring method is going to work? How many arguments are there? One argument. From that index onwards until end of the string, it is going to return. Okay. Now let me cross check, sir. Here, yes, is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sir, yes, sir, dot substring. S dot substring of 3. S dot substring of 3. Substring. Sir, I see the small or capital? By mistake, if I am taking capital S. By mistake, if I am taking capital S, what will happen, sir? Have a look once. Compiler will give left and right. Are you getting? So, 1 minute. Here 3. By mistake. Here 3. Substring of 3. Here observe that. Compile time error we are going to get saying cannot find symbol. Which is symbols are method substring of int. There is no such type of method like this, right? Now, yes, see the small. Okay, perfectly it's going to work. Yes, see the small. Have a look once. What the answer? By default, we are going to get DEFG. This is the substring method, right? Okay, well. Sir, now what is the next thing I have to discuss? So, substring method is very clear. But for substring method, you see the small. How many arguments are there? Only one argument. Only one argument into begin. But now there is one more substring method is there. What is that method is? Two arguments are available. Sir, I don't want to consider until end of the string. I want to consider from third index to sixth index only, fifth index only. I want to specify one particular boundary, one particular region. How you can? Very simple. Public string, substring. Public string, substring of int begin, comma, int end. Int begin, comma, int end. So returns the substring from begin index to, returns the substring from begin index to, can you please tell? Returns the substring from begin index to end -1 index. Returns a substring from begin index to end -1. This is a very important word, not end -1 index. Okay. Now system.out.println yes dot substring of 3 to 6 I am taking. 3, 6. Can you please tell? It returns the substring from third to 5 only. N -1 itself is nothing but 6 -1 itself is the 5. 3 to 5 only. So 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, 3, 4, 5. Then automatically DEF is the answer. Are you getting? DEF itself is the answer, sir. Now have a look once, observe. Sir, now yes dot substring 3, 6 I am taking. 3, 6. So 3, 6 means 3 to 5 only. 3 to 5 only. Observe that. What answer we are going to get, sir? Yes, second answer. This is DEF. So how many substring methods are available? There are 2 substring methods are available. One is only one argument. Second one is 2 arguments, right? That's all. Replace under substring methods. Clear? Clarity is there?